Hey everyone, welcome back to AWESMR Kids. Today, we're going to be making some Sesame Street surprise cans. In order to make the cans, we need to use the Sesame Street extruder and the Sesame Street Play-Doh molds. Alright, let's start by sliding in this extruder tool. Perfect! Alright, now let's grab some Play-Doh. Let's start with blue Play-Doh. Now give me a minute while I run this blue Play-Doh through the extruder. Here we go! Awesome! We made some thick blue noodles. Since we have blue noodles, let's use the Cookie Monster mold. Give me a minute. Awesome! Here's a 3D Cookie Monster. Okay, now watch this Play-Doh Cookie Monster turn into a surprise can. Whoa! How awesome is this? We just got a giant Cookie Monster surprise can. I can't wait to see what's inside. But before we check it out, let's make a couple more. Okay, now let's pump out a different shape. This one looks good. Okay, now let's grab some more Play-Doh. Let's use red Play-Doh this time. Give me a minute. Awesome! We made red French fries. Now let's use the red Play-Doh French fries to make Elmo. This will only take a minute. Yes! Check it out! Here's a 3D red Elmo. Now let's turn this 3D Elmo into a surprise can. Yes! We got a giant Elmo tin can. Oh, I want to open up both of these cans, but we have to make one more. Let's be patient. Let's use the Sesame Street extruder one more time. This time we'll pump out these shapes. Grab some more Play-Doh. Let's use yellow Play-Doh. Okay, now sit back and relax while I do this part. Awesome! We made yellow angel hair pasta. Let's use the angel hair pasta to make Big Bird. Do you think the Big Bird can will be bigger? That would be amazing. Well, we'll find out in just a minute. Awesome! Whoa, the feathers look super real. Check out this 3D Play-Doh Big Bird. Okay, let's make our last surprise can. Here we go! What happened? Let's use this Oscar the Grouch stamp. Sorry, Big Bird, we have to change your face. I don't know if this will work though. Whoa! It worked! Yes! We got another surprise can. Thank you, Oscar. Now it's time to open all these surprise cans. Let's start with Cookie Monster. Oh, we got a minifigure. It's Bunny from Toy Story 4. Here's a closer look at Bunny. Let's see what else is inside. Here's a Lost Kitties Mice Mania surprise toy. On top, we'll find some yellow cheese, which is just yellow dough. Here's how it looks. And here's our surprise character. It's Fluff Nugget. Here's a closer look at Fluff Nugget. And we even get a sticker. This is my Fluffy. Oh, here's a Disney princess. It's Cinderella. Awesome! We found a Paw Patrol member. It's Chase. Nice! We got a Toy Story 4 blind bag. Today we got Jessie. Here's a closer look, and how cool, it's a keychain as well. Okay, now let's see what's inside this Elmo Surprise can. Oh, that's quite the haul. Here's another Toy Story 4 character. It's Ducky. Oh, check this out. It's a Disney Cars Mashems. Today we got Lightning McQueen. Nice! We got Peppa Pig. Ooh, here's another Disney princess. It's Princess Rapunzel. And here's the last surprise. It's a Roblox Mystery Box. Give me a minute to put all these pieces together. Awesome! We got White Crest Admiral from the Tradelands. Alright, let's check out the last surprise can. Wow! Another Toy Story 4 surprise. We got Rex. Oh, here's a How to Train Your Dragon blind bag. Today we got Hook Fang. Nice! Another Disney princess. It's Princess Tiana. Oh wow, Princess Tiana has some amazing ballroom dance skills. Check it out, it's a PJ Masks member. We got Gecko. Yes, there's one more surprise toy in here. we got a Doc McStuffin's pet rescue bag. Our first surprise character is Snugs. And our second surprise character is Whispers. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to click that subscribe button for more awesome videos. See ya!